and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Kitty and I are going to play Hungry Hippos with the Teletubbies. Hey Po, Po's on her scooter. Heyo! And we also have Dipsy. Heyo! And Nunu's here to watch. Okay, Po is on the green team. And Dipsy's on the orange team. Ready, set, let's see who gets the most marbles. Hungry Hippos. Whoa, let's see who won. Paul has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marbles. Yay for Po! And Dipsy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. Yay for Dipsy! Wasn't that fun, Kitty? Yeah, Kitty likes Hungry Hippos. Time to clean up the marbles, Nunu. Okay, all the marbles have been cleaned up. So thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.